Hello students, welcome you all in biological section. Here biology deals with the study of all living things and the father of biology is Aristotle. Now biology is divided into two branches, botany and zoology. Botany means study of plants, zoology means study of animal. Father of botany Theophrastus, father of zoology Aristotle. Now, our first unit is the diversity in the living world, and the chapter number 1 is here, the living world. So, we all know that living world or the living, they show distinctive characteristics exhibited by living organism. All organism shows growth, reproduction, metabolism, anabolism, catabolism, cellular organization. In the living world or in the chapter number 1, we learn about the systemic and taxonomic criteria for the scientific name. So, what is systemic here? It is the scientific study that attempts to recognize and describe, name, and arrange the diverse organism according to an organized plan based on the unique feature of species and group. Systemic includes. In systemic, we arrange. Firstly, we recognize, then arrange, then classify, and then give name a particular organism. So, in systemic, first one is identification. It is aimed of finding correct name and the proper position of an organism. In the plan of classification, and this is done on the basis of morphological and anatomical character. We identify an organism on the basis of their morphology and anatomical characters. Now, classification. It is the scientific ordering of organisms such as bacteria, protista, fungi, plants, and animalia in a hierarchical series of groups on the basis of their morphological, evolutionary, and other relationship. Classification means we classify different organisms in different orders or groups. Now, nomenclature. It is a scientific method of naming the microorganism, protista, fungi, plants, and animals. Now, binomial nomenclature. In this system, each animals or plants is given a name of two words. Example is here Rosa indica. Rosa indica is the scientific name of rose. The first word indicates the genus to which the organism belongs and is called the generic name. The second word indicates the species of the organism and is known as the specific name of the or specific epithet. Binomial nomenclature, bi means two. We give a particular name, generic or specific name to a species or to a organism. Here Rosa indica, the scientific name of rose. Now, what criteria we assign to scientific name to an organism? Firstly, the scientific name should be in Latin. Always be write scientific name in Latin word. Now, second, scientific name has two parts, that is generic name and specific name. Here, example of Homo sapiens. Homo sapiens is the scientific name of human. The first word, that is Homo, denotes the genus, and the second word sapiens denotes the species here. Scientific name should be underlined when written and should be italics when printed. Scientific name always underline when we write them, and when we type them, then they should be in italic fonts. The generic name should always begin with a capital letter and specific name should begin with the small letter. When we writing, for example, we are writing Homo sapiens, here we write H in capital font, capital letter, and sapiens S in small letter. Now each organism can have only one scientific name, Mangifera indica. Every organism have only one scientific name and it used anywhere. Mangifera indica is the scientific name of mango. Now taxonomy. Taxonomy, it is the branch of biology that deals with the framing of laws and principle of classifying the organism on the basis of their evolutionary relationship. Taxonomy means for classifying organism we saw their past history. Now taxonomy hierarchy or taxonomy category. The taxonomy category are, there are 7 major categories, that is kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus and species. The group of organisms which interpret freely are called species. The genus is a group of species aligned in the broad features of their organization. Family, it is a group of related genera. Order, it is a group of related families. Class, group of related order is called class. Phylum, it is a group of related animal. Classes, group of related plant. Class is called a division. Kingdom, it is a group of phylum or a division. Thank you, students.